Hello viewers, I have been using this Vivo TWS for a couple of days, and today in this video I will share my honest reviews about this TWS. Actually this is Vivo TWS 3E. I have bought it from Flipkart during Big Billion Days sale, and the price of this TWS is around 1.5k at that time. This is very sweet looking TWS. It fits very well inside your palm. So looks wise, there is a big thumbs up for this TWS, and if you open this flip you will feel a very good sound, and also the magnet is very solid, so the TWS will not fall if you jerk or if you make it upside down. And if I open this TWS, you can see that it looks really well, and it is a very little form factor and it fits very well. It will not fall, as I have said earlier. The magnetic grip is excellent. This TWS looks pretty solid and compact, and the build quality seems to be very good. At the front you will get the Vivo branding, and also there is a very good finish on the top, and there is a matte texture on the body. And if you compare this TWS with OnePlus Nord 2, actually this also looks very solid. The design language of this TWS is little bit different. If you talk only about the build quality, I think OnePlus has a better build quality, and side by side you can see that they have different form factor. While OnePlus looks little bit boxier, on the other hand the Vivo TWS is little bit on the oval side, and the pairing with the device is also very fast and reliable. It quickly connects and detects the TWS whenever you open the Bluetooth. If you pair this device for the first time with your smartphone, you will see that the Vivo TWS will be shown on the screen of your smartphone, and you have to select connect and it will be paired instantly. Now if you talk about the call quality or the sound quality during music listening, I think this is a very good TWS. The bass is on the lower side. It gives a very balanced sound, but if you like to listen high bass sound quality, in that case you should not buy this product. Plus the call quality from this TWS is also very good, but if you compare this side by side with OnePlus Nord 2, I think Nord 2 has a better sound quality in listening music and also during calls. But if you have not used OnePlus Buds Nord 2, you will not feel the difference. Currently this product is priced at around 1.7 or 1.8k. So if you want to buy this TWS, you can buy at 1.5k during offers, and that will be the right price for this TWS. But if you want a better quality TWS, then you can buy OnePlus Nord Bud 2. That sounds better on every aspect. So this is the initial review of this product. If you want to know more about this TWS, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.